Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am Almighty FX. This channel is strictly about forex education. No hype, no fake promises. If you want to build skill, discipline and consistency, subscribe to the channel. Let's trade the right way.
He puts it in your imagination, man. See, God is good.
Okay guys, today we're gonna be in this video. I'm gonna be trading Euro USD. Okay guys, so before trading we start by analyzing. Okay, so when I start analyzing guys, I go to investing.com. okay, in my investing.com I've created a watch list of 4 symbols. Okay, I use 4 symbols which are Euro USD, USD JPY, USD Swiss franc and USD CAD. Okay guys, so today we're gonna be analyzing Euro USD. As you can see guys, from the past month, or let me rather say this month, Euro USD has been down by 0.22% of its current price. Okay, in this week we are up by 0.57%, and I'm recording this on a Monday guys. So only in the past week it went up by 0.57. so last week closed by 0.57%. okay, and today it's up by 27%. okay guys, so 27% also is part of that 0.57%. so this week opened with buys towards the upside. Okay guys, that's the Euro USD performance. And when we go to technicals, it indicates that okay, this month is buying, this week is going to sell, and daily it is neutral. We don't know what is going to happen. Okay, so no entries. When you see the daily, it's neutral, we don't take entries. Okay, so let's go analyzing. Okay guys, when I start analyzing, I start in the 12-month time frame. Okay, then I move to line charts. Line charts, I just clear out the noise, which are these weeks right here. I go to line charts, I mark out my significant levels. Okay, so I use this horizontal ray to mark out my significant levels. Okay guys, once I'm done, I move to the 1 month time frame. So I don't just add other tools immediately. I must adjust my tools. Okay guys, so that we could have a clean chart that also makes sense. Okay, so I just adjust my levels. These are key levels where the market might retest in the future. Okay, so we just mark previous highs and lows. Okay, these are previous highs and lows that we are marking right now, and these key levels can also show us the direction, and this direction has been going in a down sloping momentum. Okay, we have lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. Okay guys, and this right here is also a lower high, because this high is lower than the previous highs. Okay, if I could just mark this as a key level, it was also a lower high. so the market shows us that it is in a downward momentum. It is going down. Okay guys, so after marking my key levels, I use this rectangular instrument to mark out my supply and demand zones, which are support and resistance. Okay guys, so I take this rectangular zone and see where I could mark my resistance area. Okay guys, so we marked out our resistance level. Okay, so this acts as our roof. Okay, as the market comes at this area, it is supposed to bounce towards the downside, because this is also a support in this scenario guys. As you can see, the market bounced on top of it, making it a support area which bounced towards the upside. So now we are going to take the exact same tool and use it to mark out our support area or a support zone. We use this guys as a zone to cover our wicks, okay, to cover the noise. This is the noise of the market, because there are spikes manipulation, just to take out stop losses. Okay, this is a process guys. We must mark out our resistance and support areas, because the market might come to retest these levels in a later market move. I think that's enough guys. So after marking our support and resistance areas, we move towards the 1 week time frame. Okay guys, if you want to see the market clearly, you can move to line charts. Okay, you can zoom out and adjust our levels again. Okay guys, as we move back to candlesticks, the current market price is telling us that we are from a resistance zone, and price looks like it wants to come towards the downside. This is what I'm speaking about guys. It retested this level right here. Also, this past price in July 2025, it was respecting this zone. Okay guys, it just doesn't want to break up almost for a whole year right now, because this was July. We are just left with April, May, June, July. Okay, 1 month left, because as you can see guys, we are in June right now. For a whole year it's been retesting on this zone right here. Okay guys, so the market might go towards the downside. Okay, this is what I'm speaking about guys, and this is a key level. This is what I told you guys. We use our key levels to mark past price movements where price might retest. Now from here we are just going to mark our trend line. Okay guys, I mark my trend line on the weekly time frame, just to see the overall picture of the week. Okay guys, so one candlestick in the weekly time frame represents 1 week. Okay guys, 5 days. Because this is the forex market guys. This is Euro USD. I am trading the forex market. So the forex market is open 5 days a week. Okay guys, it is closed only on Saturday and Sunday. Only the cryptocurrencies markets which are decentralized are open 24/7 guys, Monday to Sunday. Okay guys, but they are very volatile. That is the reason I am trading Euro USD, because I don't want to trade volatile markets with a small account size guys. I am just growing. I'm not a beginner trader, but I am growing to become a professional trader guys. If you could grow a small account into a huge account, you could never go broke guys. That's what I'm telling you. I'm building skill here guys. Okay, now back to the market guys. You could see that we are in an uptrend from last year January. Okay, the whole year we pushed towards the upside. So last year you could have been profitable with Euro USD. Okay, so that this was a sloping uptrend, but the market was testing these areas right here. Okay guys, so you could see that right here it's a significant zone where the market is playing around at. Okay guys, if you go to the 1 month time frame, we would see that we are in a sloping downward momentum. As you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 touches. Okay, and it's showing us we in a sloping momentum. Let me just draw this trend line, as you can see. Okay guys, but if we draw this trend line in a correct way, you could see that we have touches right here. Okay, and the market seems to have broken above this trend channel. Okay guys, this is a trend channel because the market was playing around inside this trend channel. Okay guys, now it's showing price might have broken outside of the trend channel. Okay guys, and now market might be coming to retest towards the resistance trend. Okay guys, or the support right here, and bounce towards the upside. So this is just a long-term move that we are anticipating towards the market. We do not force our directions, we only follow. Okay guys, so now I'm going to delete this. So now I am going to move towards the daily time frame. So guys, the daily time frame is where I end right. As you can see right here, the daily time frame is where I end my analysis. So I'm going to zoom out and see whether I could adjust my trend lines. Okay guys, trend lines are just to show the direction of the market and where is the market headed. Okay guys, so yes guys, we now see that the market broke out of this bullish structure right here. In fact, we were in a long-lasting consolidation and broke outside. Okay, as you can see right here, we broke outside, creating a false breakout, trapping buyers towards the outside, and it took them out with a stop loss, continuing back into the range. This is what I'm talking about guys. This is the range that I'm talking about. Fake out trapping sellers, then it came back inside. Okay, buys, stop loss hit, inside again. Okay guys, so now it wants to trap sellers now towards the downside. We are just anticipating what the market might do. Okay, we do not force our directions towards the market. Market might come right here back and fall again into this range right here and move towards the outside, the upside. Okay, this is what I mean, guys. Or the market might actually retest below this area and make it a resistance, which price might push towards the downside. Okay guys, this level here. As I said guys, we do not force our predictions on the market. We only follow the market. The market is here to lead us. Yes sir guys, now I'm done analyzing Euro USD. I'm going to tell you about the pros of being a swing trader guys. A swing trader always catches big movements guys. As you will see here, I could catch this whole move if the market breaks out and retest below the zone right here guys. Swing trader, I could catch this whole move. I could even say this is a position trade because this trade might hold over 2 months. Okay guys, and this is a significant level right here. Or the market might come towards this support area right here. Okay guys, so I could catch very huge moves in the markets as a swing trader. Okay guys, and the cons of being a swing trader is that you must have patience guys, because patience is needed as a swing trader, because you can wait for the market to come towards your direction for a very long time. It could take 2 weeks or 3 weeks guys, whole month, just for you to get an entry. Okay, so as you can see guys, using the SMC indicator smart money concept, this is where institutions like banks leave their footprint guys. So we could see that we have bearish order blocks from the top, meaning that price is pushing towards the downside guys. Okay, this is institutional footprint they are leaving behind. Okay, so if the market breaks towards the downside, which will break the previous weekly low, okay, so the low that we created last week, if it breaks it and retests above it, price might go towards the downside and give us a entry. Okay guys, so if price now pushes towards the previous monthly high, this will invalidate our sell anticipation. Okay guys, this will invalidate our sell anticipation and will go back inside this bullish trend. Okay guys, continuing with the overall move. Okay guys, yes sir guys, so when I always enter the market, I use the Fibonacci retracement. Okay, I don't use the Fibonacci retracement as an entry tool, but I rather use it as a trade management tool. Okay guys, I always enter my positions at 10%. Okay, because already when I enter my trade, it is not a signal to enter. It tells me the movement has already happened. Okay, I said once price breaks below the previous weekly low, it would mean that we are going for sales. Okay guys, so it would already retested, it would have already retested, and then we touch my 10% level. Okay guys, so after touching my 10% level, we would then push towards the downside. Okay guys, let me just bring my entry level right there. Okay guys, price would push towards the downside if it breaks. Okay, so regarding the Fibonacci tool, right, I use my Fibonacci tool as a trade management tool. Once price reaches 50% level, okay guys, it tells me now price might hold or it might reverse towards the upside. Okay guys, so this, as you could see, it is a support level, so this might mean it is a equilibrium. Okay guys, it is in the middle of this sell movement that is going to form. Okay guys, if it is going to form, guys, we do not force our predictions against the market, we only follow. Okay guys, so now when prices reaches 79%, I now manage my risk management. I move my stop loss from here towards this level right there, guys. I move it towards the 79% because I am now locking my profits, and when price retest again towards the upside from this level right here towards the 50, that's where I'm going to place my stop loss, guys, at 50%, because once prices reach here, it is either going towards the take profit or going up. Okay, there's two ways. Okay guys, we do not force our predictions. Then if prices retest and go towards the upside, I will be taken out with a stop loss in profits. Okay guys, once the market part reaches 79%, we cannot lose this, we cannot go out of this trade with a loss. Okay, we move our stop loss towards the 50%. Okay, and then I wait for the market to reach 100%, and that's where my take profit is going to be, guys, at 100%. Okay, 100% always, guys. And that is the pros of being a swing trader, guys. My name is Almighty FX, and this is how to trade Euro USD, guys. Okay, please learn how to analyze, guys, for you to become a professional trader. Please learn how to analyze before you could trade, guys. Money is only the byproduct. Okay, it only comes after the process. Okay guys, this is skill right there, and this is what you must build, okay, day by day, every day. This is Almighty FX, and I'm out.